Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding ladders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Delxo 2-step folding ladder for multi-use. Folding ladders are more popular than non-folding designs because of their portability and storing facilities. This model of the 2-step folding ladder from Delxo becomes our top choice because it is very light and easy to store. This ladder is made from high-quality material to get a high weight-bearing capacity of 300 pounds, but the ladder itself weighs merely 9 pounds. Literally, it is just lift the ladder in the left hand and go, when it comes to taking it somewhere remote. On the other hand, this ladder becomes a 2-inch thick frame when it is folded. It can be placed even behind the door alongside the wall or behind any medium-size furniture. The platform is bigger than any conventional ladder, but not as big as they claim. With the 11.81, LX 7.87, W by 0.98, H dimension, the Texture's non-slip platform is just the right size for most people but can fall short for big buddies. It has a sleek and clean white finish on the frame. It gives the folding ladder an elegant look. For a sturdy folding ladder with high weight capacity, the price is reasonable. Moving on at number 4, we have the XinSunho 2-step folding ladder. When the folding ladder can disguise as a chair, there is no need to hide it under the bed or in the pantry. Besides serving as a step ladder, this folding ladder can be used as a regular chair for its unique and sleek design. The platforms are so wide and sturdy that it is comfortable as a chair to sit on and as well as a ladder to step on. The weight capacity of this Zinsunho folding ladder is impressively 330 pounds. Its weight is slightly higher due to its all-metal construction than our top pick, Delxo 2-step ladder. Despite that, it is still comfortable enough to carry. The one drawback I found in this ladder stool is that the upper platform touches the shin while stepping on the lower platform. So, it can only be used to stand on the upper platform. It has a metal lock on it to safely lock the ladder in place so that it does not slip. At number 3, we have the Cosco folding style 2- and 3-step ladder with rubber hand grip. There are 2-step and 3-step folding stools and ladders available on this site. All are made equally durable and safe. 2-step stools and 3-step stools are available in different colors also. However, this one is a 3-step folding ladder in the shade platinum. It has 3 16-inch wide steps and a rubber grip handle on top. The handle provides a sense of security as using a 3-step ladder can be risky for elderly and physically challenged people. The most unique thing about this ladder is, it has auto-locks that lock in place when the ladder is unfolded. No need to turn any screw and lock the ladder. The rubber pads under the ladder feet make it safe to use on tile and marble floors. This amazing stool is backed by a 10 years long warranty for its parts. So, the quality of this stool is easily assumed. For all the 3 steps, this ladder weighs almost 13 pounds. The top platform is 29 inches higher than the ground, and the overall height of the ladder is 45 inches. For home, outdoor, garage, or office use, this ladder is a safe one to use. At number 2, we have the MoJack EasyStep fence crosser folding ladder. Crossing tall fences becomes a breeze with this folding ladder. The top platform of this Super Duty ladder is about 56 inches from the ground. So, crossing tall fences without opening the gate or picking fruits from trees, and almost any other chores becomes fun for farmers, ranchers, and hunters. This ladder folds into 24-inch x 34-inch x 8-inch dimension. It is not so portable or easy to store as other models we have reviewed. Besides, 40 pounds of weight also seems very heavy. However, for crossing fences and using outdoors in the farmlands, this folding ladder model is the best one can get. It has a spacious top platform of a 17-inch x 14-inch area. The platform is non-slippery as well. The highest load-bearing capacity is up to 300 pounds for this fence crosser cum folding ladder. For all the good causes, this one is a good choice for anyone who needs to cross a tall fence without opening the gates. And finally at number 1, we have the Delxo 3-step folding ladder. Don't have any idea where to put the folding shelf when not in use? This 3-step stool ladder is an excellent addition as a corner shelf or plant stand when not being used. Some also keep it open as a pet stool. However, this ladder folds super thin, so can be put away under the bed or behind the sofa, out of sight. Delxo step ladders or folding stools are great for indoor use. The load-bearing capacity for this ladder is up to 330 pounds, which is quite high for a 3-step ladder. Moreover, it auto-locks when opened up, a safe addition for dealing with this unit reliably. This stool weighs only 10 pounds but very sturdy to use it for prolonged use like cleaning ceiling fans or organizing top shelves. The anti-slip pedals are also wide enough to make room for the heel to toes. You don't even know you already need one unless you get one. So, without any overthinking, get this one for getting done regular household chores. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.